Connie Jo Coker, and this is my husband Steve Goss. We're ambassadors for Fantasy RV Tours. We've developed a way that we think Jeff Foxworthy would use when deciding to book the Route 66 tour. It goes something like this.
If you like Art Deco and wall murals,
Then you will love traveling on Route 66. If you like classic diners and old gas stations,
then you would love traveling Route 66 with Fantasy RV Tours.
and if you like Elvis, Betty Boop, and blue whales,
Then you would love traveling Route 66 with us.
if you like Will Rogers and Abe Lincoln and the Clydesdales,
Then you would love traveling Route 66.
and if you'd like to go on a 60s style car vacation through the back roads of America,
Then you will love traveling Route 66.
and if you like vintage cars and transportation museums,
You would love traveling Route 66 with Fantasy RV Tours.
and if you like drive-in theaters and popcorn,
I'm always ready for that. Let's travel Route 66 with Fantasy RV Tours.
we hope that this has helped you make your decision to travel with us on Fantasy RV's Route 66 Caravan.